This is the old part of town here.
The Viewport Town.
I think the restaurant you like is somewhere down here. I don't know.
You're going in the parking lot, then it's near only the parking lot.
Somewhere on this road here. I don't know where. I've gone out of business.
What's
I don't know what she's doing.
what's wrong?
Okay, she's
Ah,
trying
it
to
says
park.
they park the aisle. That is a hard park. That is I don't like to park.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
okay.
She gave up on it.
Give up to park like that. Okay, okay. Na-miss ko tong place na to. Panay kami dito maggagala. Dito sa Viewport. Yan, that is a Viewport Town of South Carolina. Before, every years kami dito magpunta. Ito kung magboboting kayo, kung mayaman kayo na kayo vote. Mayaman. Mayaman daw. Kani ang yang town. Na kaganon. Ato ang mga restaurant. Kung magkain kayo ng restaurant. Yan. Sa dati dito may kamit ako ng Pilipina. Yan, Pilipina daw. Ito kanang tulay na yan mo napapunta sa Hunting Island. Punta doon sa Hunting Island. Maganda dito mag-fishing siguro. Daghan siguro tag makuhang isda ni. Ang isda. Isda. Kana. Yung kalbong yapon. Kalbo paghihapon ako. Kana. Pakita ninyo. Maganda dito sa Viewport. Kasi kung mag-drive ka doon, sorry doon sa ilang lugar, maganda siya. Ang taon. Interesting. Paborito ko siyang puntahan dito palagi. Dati nagpunta ako dyan nga to sa boat. Nasaan na kaya yung Pilipina kung nakamit ko dati dito? Nagsorry din sila. Maganda dito pasyalan kasi sa tabing dagat nga ilog. Dagat nga ilog ang buto ngayon sa magmuni-muni dito. Dagat nga ilog daw. Dami ra ba tong kanang kasingan kani sa baba tingnan mo mga mga cell. Dami siya doon dami siya mga cell. Walang nanguha. Dati nilakad ko ng tulay na. Punta ko doon sa gitna ng tulay dati. Nilakad. Wala, tingnan mo, dami nagtambay. Maganda nga dito tambayan. Kaso lang ngayon, masyado, malamig kunti. Maganda dito siya tambay. Siguro pwede dito mag-fishing. Dito magpipising. Siguro daming isda dito. Yan. Ganito dito sa Viewport. Town ng Viewport. Sa tabi ng dagat nga ilog. Bahala kayo dyan. Dagat nga ilog. Magpunta na kami dito sa restaurant. Come on. Dito sa restaurant. Kain na tayo. Uy, nagugutom. Nagutom na ako. Then, dito ako dati nag-atching, he said. Sabi tong isa doon sa restaurant kumain, bless you. Bless you.
I think I want to stay outside.
No. What restaurant before? I think it's there. I'm not sure, not in here.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm. Because
I think it's called Plums.
mm-hmm. Going in the front. See it. Mga restaurant dito na kasi. Aha, okay. Going there. Tama na to. That is South Carolina in the other side of river. And other side of river, that is Georgia, Augusta. Pagitan nila yang malaking ano yan, yang Savannah River. Yan ang pagitan ng South Carolina and Georgia. Ano yung what that in the middle? 3? 3, I think 3 is in the middle, or the alligator. Alligator.
Something's swimming out there.
Yeah. Alligator or that is a nice view. Kung hindi ka matamad maglakad-lakad dito, yan, maglakad, mag-walking. It's a time to walking. Enjoy the life sometime. Don't look, don't have.
I had to come down here for
Yeah.
a week.
Huh?
When I had to come every day for a week,
Where?
take classes at this hotel down here.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're going in here before?
Yeah, but I didn't stay here. I had to go back home.
Ah,
But I had to come every day for a week
for
for classes.
your class. Before?
For 1 year I did.
Okay.
To get certified.
Oh, this is a gold. Yeah, the Gulf of Augusta. Ah, it's a river of Babylon.